Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, we don't like to waste nobody time. Before we do that, let's get this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we be touching bases on Tesla. That's ticker symbol TSLA. We're gonna be touching bases on whether Tesla is going to $4,000. Do we think it could reach 4,000? Do we think it could go higher? Do we think it's going to crash down to 330s or even lower? How do we feel about Tesla? We're going to cover all that in the video. We're going to touch bases on the charts, see how the chart's looking. Is it a great time to be buying right now? Should you wait? We're going to let you know some entry points, where you should get in at, where you should get out at. We're going to look at that. We're going to cover the news. We're going to touch bases on that. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So Tesla, we closed on Friday at $652 a share. We up $1.71 on that day, and then we fell $2.67 in after hours. So a pretty, sideways day for Tesla. We opened at 645. The high was 657. The low was 624. The 52-week high is $900. The 52-week low was $82. So let's go ahead and jump in the news real quick, cover that before we look at the charts. So Cathie Wood, ARK Invest Funds lay out new $3,000 price target for Tesla shares. What investors should know. So Cathie Woods of ARK Invest over there, she put a $3,000 price target on Tesla. And do I think she'll observe? No. I feel like she most definitely could reach $3,000 and go even higher. So let's go ahead. Let's go into details. So ARK Invest Funds updated its price target for shares of Tesla to $3,000 in the year 2025. So it's 2021, about 4 years from now, they think this thing can increase in value another $2,400. Last year, ARK Invest listed a split adjusted price target on Tesla shares of $1,400 by the year 2024. The bear case in the bear case scenario, they see Tesla hitting $1,500 by 2025. That's still well over a double up. Like whatever you put in right now, you guarantee to double up on your investment by 2025. In a bull case scenario, they see shares of Tesla to hit $4,000 in 2025 in the bull case. So that's huge, y'all. Tesla is the king, the top of the charts, the top dog in the EV space. I've been told y'all that. So you most definitely need to have some Tesla in your portfolio. This is not financial advice, but we most definitely got some Tesla. I share my position with y'all. I show y'all where I'm in at. I show y'all, I got a few shares in, 2 different portfolios. I show y'all one of them, and we'll go from there. Also, let's check this out right here. ARK Funds said Tesla can sell between 5 million and 10 million vehicles in 2025 after new technology and production improvements. Tesla sold over 500,000 vehicles in 2020. So they saying these people, they can ramp this thing up and sell 10 times as many vehicles that they sold in 2020. They can sell that 10 times more in 2025, 10 to 20 times more. So that's huge, y'all. They got a whole lot of growth, and Tesla just became profitable. So that's another huge factor that's taking place. Now let's go to the chart. So let's check it out, y'all. If we look back on a 1 week chart, March 17th, Tesla hit that 653. That 653, that's the same. That's right now what we're trading at right now. We closed at $652. And if we look back on the chart, goddamn, that week ago, that 653, that's the nice support. That's showing me a nice strong support right here at 653. So a buy-in zone is right now. Right now, if you could get shares right now at 650, that's where you wanna. You don't just wanna go full blown head in. You feel me? You wanna slow things down, take your time. You wanna grab a little bit. You can buy fractional shares now. So if you got if you only want to spend if you want a whole share, just one share, you might want to, buy 30% of that share. You might want to put $200 in on it first, and then as it pull back on you, you want to put another 200 in. But me, if I can get shares, I already have my shares, but 650, I don't think it's gonna go back to the price where I got mines in at, which I'm gonna show y'all. But 650 would be an ideal price to go ahead and get as many as you can get, because once this thing go back up, start getting this uptrend, get this upward momentum back, this thing is gonna go bananas. It's gonna go through the roof. I'm gonna show y'all on the chart. But before that, let's go look at my position. Let's see where I'm in at. Real quick, like, let's see what my average cost is on Tesla. Okay. We right here. We got 4 shares. We got total cost $2,300. Average price $589. Last price $652. We up $250 right now. Market value $2,600. So I just want to show y'all that real quick. Just to let y'all know I'm invested in the stocks that I'm bullish on, that I'm telling y'all to, possibly get in. Not financial advice. So now that we covered the support, we got a strong support around 650, 653, 652. That's a strong support. If that thing break below that, and we experience a correction in the market next week, we could possibly go and retest that $500 level, that 580, 570. And if you see those levels, you most definitely want to load the boat. You want to get more. So now let's look at the resistance. We got a resistance on the 1 month chart. We got a resistance around $700, 707. Soon as this thing cracks 707, break through 707, we got a few bumps in the road that we're gonna have to get through. But I can see this thing slingshotting straight up back to the 800s, and then going off the retest that resistance point around January 26th at the beginning of the year. 883, around the 880s, 890, retesting that point, and then flying off to $1,000, to $1,000 plus. I'm calling it. I can see it as well. Tesla is most definitely ahead of the game, ahead of its time, and most definitely going to be, make his mark in the world. So get you some Tesla. Now let's check out the price target on Tesla. The 30 analysts offering 12-month price forecast for Tesla have a median target of $755 with a high estimate of $1,200 and a low estimate of $67. The median estimate represents a 15% increase from the last price of $654. So you already know what I told y'all. They be hating on these companies in public, but they be buying in private. Just like on Robinhood, I seen on Morningstar, and the value they got for Tesla on Robinhood is $352. That's what they think is valued at. And then they saying this, they trying to tell you not to buy it and stuff. That's what the media trying to say. But let's see what their pocket's doing. I told you it'd be doing something different. Watch this. Institutional ownership, 45%. The more that institution own of a company, that's the less we able to get. So keep that in mind. Increased positions, 87.4 million shares. Decreased position, 50.8 million. Held positions, 295 million. Total institutional shares, 434 million. Out of 434 million, they decreased their position, 50 million shares. So they holding a big bag of Tesla shares. So keep that in mind. New positions, 6.8 million shares. Sold out positions, 1.1 million shares. So they got them Tesla shares on lock. So, but they talking different in public. So that's all I really got for y'all this video. I just want to let y'all know a good price to get in on this at, and a good price to get out of this. It would be, you want to hold your Tesla shares. You don't want to get out. You don't want to get out at all, because the world is going to transfer over from gasoline vehicles to electricity. Cars are going to be autonomously driven. Tesla trying to go fully autonomously. So once they transfer over like that, and all these other car companies, I know y'all see it, they slowly trying to catch on. Ford made a Mustang Mach-E, and like Porsche and all these other car companies, they starting to make electric vehicles and be in a lineup to try to they can't just put it all on you at one time. They have to ease their way into it. They have to, ease their way into it. They just can't do it like that. So everybody slowly adapt into it, and people gonna love the change anyway of it. To go from gasoline to electricity is gonna save you a ton anyway. The difference between electricity and gas, you still gonna have to pay the electricity bill to keep the car charged, but it's gonna be a huge difference. And then you ain't gotta worry about oil change, all that other good stuff. So it'll be better. It'll be better for the economy. It'll be good, and this is gonna be huge. So hope y'all get in on this. You already know if you like these type of updates, these type of predictions, all this good stuff. We post this stuff every single day. Consider joining the family, and we out. I love y'all. God bless.